Everyone, hi. So this is our sprint one basically. What I mean by sprint zero and sprint one is all the way I am teaching here and the way you are understanding the concepts and later the way you will reproduce this whole thing is that no one is teaching. I am talking to myself and through myself I am reaching to you guys. Similarly, when you find if you find this training valuable, you come back with feedback. I will upload it into YouTube. You can subscribe and you can get yourself notified in the same way you've been asked for all the videos. So that is going to happen shortly. What I will be doing is I'll be randomly picking up some of the topics and I'll flow through this project management sorry, I'll flow through this MPP and take up topics on the fly. So as you can see, if we expand this mm, view, outline, I will show the subtasks. Level 1, level 2, level 3 means the hierarchy in which, let's take level 4. Okay, so this is, we won't start with here. Let me start with topic by topic. So but in the order where I find it's going to be more beneficial for you. So why don't we start from the end, which is something new in the world of SAP, which is rise with SAP followed by grow with SAP. In fact, let us create a line here. Let us put a line over here. Insert task. Let us name it as RISC, rise. You must be very excited to hear what is rise with SAP and what has been found in a survey done by one of my fellow YouTuber is that he found out that about 61 to 65% of the professionals who are working in the field of SAP, actually for them also what is rise is not a very clear concept. They feel, or majority feels, without knowing that particular concept, majority feels that rise is a product, a new product of SAP. Like from S4 HANA to rise, they consider rise as a new product. But I'll tell you, rise is not at all a new product. It is a business package which is deployed in cloud, and from cloud, the user community, the end users can take up that particular service which is in cloud in similarly pay as you go format. They will pick it up. So that is basically rise, putting the uh, S4 HANA related next generation all products into cloud, public cloud, and that is SAP's cloud, and then so that people can extract what is required from them. It is going by the same thought process in which they had the NetWeaver application platform, and on top of that, they had put the enterprise core component in yesteryears, and we will take only that part which is required for our business. Let's say it's a aerospace, they will take aerospace related related service from SAP, but then that was in-house, like aerospace or mining metallurgy, oil and gas. They were mostly in-house or yes. But now cloud has come into picture, so it will be deployed in SAP cloud, and from there you can actually take the service pay as you go. This is in very simple way, term. This is what is rise, but we will discuss upon it thoroughly. So let us give the heading rise with SAP. This is our target. Within the next 30 minutes or less, we will finish this topic. Already it's 4 minutes gone on this. So let us come quickly into this. Rise with SAP. SAP's Rise. Let us name it like this. So I'm taking the topic Rise with SAP first. Okay. So let me open my PowerPoint, which I had prepared earlier. And by the way, this is my details. You have my LinkedIn page, you have the email in which you can drop a note to me if you have any queries. Like you can email me at arjun.careers1980 @gmail.com, or you can write it to arjun.biswas1980 @gmail.com. I would prefer that you put it in all the three email address, because not at every point of time I am into one particular email address. I tend to toggle, because the careers one is mainly meant for the recruiters who can approach me, or if you have any job related discussion in the field of SAP, you can use the job search oriented activities. Everything comes under the arjun.careers1980 @gmail.com. This one, arjun.biswas1980, is my personal ID, but it is full with lot of emails. But that's why you please keep this, and this is for the big data AI ML related email address. So you keep this first two, mostly in this first two I would always look into. So you keep this your query in either one of these two. And if you have any specific query related to machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, data analysis using R, any Kaggle related um, stuff that you would like to discuss with me, you can approach me by big data. But that is also something I'm picking up last 3-4 years. So big data and AI ML, we can discuss, we can mutually contribute and discuss, try and find the solution out of it. My trainings had always been interactive one. So let us see what is Rise with SAP. This diagram explains it all. First, we will try to understand from the diagram, and then we will go into the theory of it. Let's me make it in a full screen mode. Okay. So Rise with SAP, what I told you, is actually a business package, right? And this business package is caters to all these industry verticals. Say, for example, finance. Now, if you have it in your cloud and you are accessing it at pay as you go, you only want to access the finance functions of SAP S4 HANA and above. So, nothing above S4 HANA stack. If you want to access any finance related application for your company, you can very well just buy it out from SAP in a pay as you go mode. So under finance, accounting and financial closure, financial operations, cost management and profitability analysis, treasury, subscription and billing, and rev management, enterprise rise and compliance, and real estate. All this is covered inside the finance vertical. And likewise, you see under sourcing and procurement, these actions user can do if they go ahead and purchase rise the rise with SAP product, right? Not the product, rise with SAP feature, I would put it like this. So it's a business package altogether. Try to understand, these are all business packages: finance, sourcing and procurement, supply chain, manufacturing, R&D, asset, and what is this, service operations, service master data. So now see everything like core HR is under HCM, should be, yeah, human resource. So basically, according to your need, you go to your destination, you pay for the service as you are using it from that that time frame only. And after the time is done, or prior to that, you log off from that. So you'll be charged only for that particular time instance you are actually in SAP cloud trying to work with Rise. Now let's go by definition. That will make the matter clear. And I will also describe from the definition as well. So no need to worry. We are discussing it. SAP Rise. SAP Rise. From here I'm reading. Please take a note if you want to. SAP Rise is not just a product or service. It is a game-changing sales package. This is important. So it's a sales package designed to streamline S4 HANA adaptation. You remember when S4 HANA first came into picture, there was something called simple finance, simple logistics. They are actually used for finance sector and logistics sector. Later on, S4 HANA came with full-fledged service, and now they are packaging it out in the name of Rise. So this package is designed to streamline S4 HANA adaptation, how companies are adopting. That is from ECC, they are migrating to S4 HANA. So they should have the maximum benefit out of it. So if S4 HANA is installed in on premise, then there would be hardware cost and other infrastructure cost to cater to. So everyone prefers the cloud version now, because from there you can only take that service which is required. Either it can be public cloud, private cloud, or hybrid cloud. Because if it is a public cloud, then your company will only access your company's data. However, it's security wise, it's little on the open front. So small or mid scale companies would prefer public cloud. Even big companies do go for public cloud, but companies who are more kind of security concerned, they would rather take the hybrid cloud, which is in between public and private cloud. Because private cloud is the entire infra is in that company's internal network. That is the server S4 HANA. It is installed in on premise for those users who are utilizing S4 HANA private cloud. Public cloud, it is hosted by SAP, so you can use that. And hybrid is a mix and match of both the things, taking the good practices of public as well as private. So you will see lot of what to say uh, private cloud related migrations happening from SAP ECC to S4 HANA, which we will discuss when we will start with S4 HANA, how this migration or upgrades is happening. At present, we are focusing on Rise, which is a new feature inside S4 HANA. So that's why it is saying it's a game changing sales package. This package is actually sales package. Why sales package? I just have shown you the document. Let me go back. Oops, sorry, bear with me. Yeah. Finance, sourcing, procurement, supply chain, manufacturing, R&D, engineering, asset management, service, and more things are getting added into that cloud